Hello everyone. So this is another day. Let's try to do some analysis here to see if we can catch some trades here today. As you can see, we're going to be analyzing the gold, the Gbp and PY, and also the Gbp USD. So let's jump right into it. For me, I would always do the analysis. This is the British pound, dollar, and Japanese yen. I will always do the analysis from top to bottom. It is essential for you to know this kind of analysis when it comes about trading Forex. Basically, all kind of tradings. So as you can see here, we have. Sorry, let me remove this all these lines so you can see. Okay, so what happened yesterday is like we're closing the day bearish. As you can see here, we make a high, and now we're gonna touch this resistance. We touch this resistance here at the 64 and 34 points of resistance kind of thing, and we might have an indication that we're going up, but we're still bullish in general. So bearish, sorry, in general. As you can see, we haven't been able to pass this daily highs, so we have to wait. We have a big bullish momentum in this area, but for the day we're still kind of bearish. We're gonna see if the candle close bullish today. We might go in for a bullish alternative, but for now we just have to keep in mind that our bias is still bullish, bearish, and let's wait to see a mark this area. As you can see, this is my range. This is the top of the week, and this is the bottom of the week. So for the daily, I marked the resistance here in black, as you can see. So if the price passes that area, then I'll be certainly looking for short, because here's a great possibility that the price might fill this range. So that's what we're going to do. Let's see if we manage to find something in the 4-hour time frame. So the same scenario. We're still going down on this trend, but in general we're still bullish. So what we can see is the reversal of this area that we marked it that been supported multiple times. So then after that, if we see a push past this area here, that this range that the price have been going up and down, so then to fill these clean candles here, we're going to be having, like, let me see, 72 pips. So that's the range for going bullish. Then in the middle, I'm not saying that you're gonna have a 70 pip trade. I'm just saying that for the bullish momentum, you still have run, and then if we pass this area, the run will be like even higher. So let's wait. In the 1-hour candle, let's see how we close. So we close the day the 1-hour candle. We close the day. This is the beginning of the day. So we close bullish on this candle, but you make a reversal and it's still going down. So as I can see here, the bias is still bullish, but we hit this area like we see in the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame resistance support, and we tap it and we managed to go up a little bit, but we haven't passed this resistance here. So if if I were to buy, like I said, I had to be waiting for this structure to be broken, as you can see in this line. Let me see if I can make it a little bit more secure. Okay, so if we pass this line and I make some sort of market structure, then because of this clean candle here, then we might have a range to play with. Actually, it's like 23 pips, so it's more than enough. And if we pass this area, then we'll be looking for 36, 37 pips, so that's perfect. But we have to wait. That's the scenario for the bullish for me. But if we continue with our bias, which is going down, we have to wait what? We have to wait for this candle to be broken. Broken the structure here, break the structure, and then if we go into the downside to make a quick move of still 23 pips, that's more than enough. It's not quite clean. As you can see here, we have some weak rejections. It's not a clean path, but we have to see on the lower time frames to see if we have any opportunity. But I'm not saying it's not tradable, but a better solution would be to wait until this resistance of the 4 hours broken, so then we have all this clean area here to make a good trade scenario. So as for news, I don't see big news today, so let me check the calendar. So GDP growth rate, we have it at 2 p.m. That's for Turkey, so it doesn't affect that much to us. Then retail sales in Switzerland. Unemployed rate, that might be something to be concerned, but so not for now. The actually having, okay, we have, now we passed all the news already. So at this hour, we only have to wait for the 2 p.m. Growth rate on the, I think it's Turkey, economy. But no, that's nothing to be worried about. That's why we choose British pound, because it doesn't get more, stress when it comes about news regarding these two pairs, because they're actually not great news affecting this in this area. So I'm not saying it's not, but fortunately it doesn't affect as much as British pound and euro dollars or US Gbpjpy, things like that. They do affect a lot, like the news affected a lot. So yeah, back to analysis. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, which is the one I like to trade most of the times, what we can see here is this is our range. This is where the price have been ranging since since the 23rd. It's been going up and down. They're touching some resistance area, going back again to the range, then hit the bottom of the range, and then it's now trying to go up again. So this range is easily tradable because the whole trend is like 75 pips. So either you're going up or down, you can easily trade it. So Then I'm waiting for this line to be broken to see if I have a good entry. Then I might try to find, let's say, okay, there are 12-13 pips. That will be risky, but it's manageable. Then if we pass this area, watch area here, then we might go to rip another 7 pips, 8 pips. So yeah, but at this time in the Tokyo section is such a low volume, so you need to be careful. The good thing is like you can manage the trades because it won't go as fast as a London session or New York even, but we need to wait. So please don't rush, don't try to force a trade, and let's try wait and see if we have a market entrance. So we're gonna take it. If it's not, then we have to wait for London to be open. Let's see what happens. As you can see here, I wanted to show you. This was a trade I took yesterday, and these two today. It was yeah. This took 5 a.m. and this was 6:30. It's a continuation. As you can see here, guys, this is the range within the range. So what do we see here? If the price has, let me make this bigger. So this is my zone. This is my support. It was broken on this candle. And then as you can see here, I was looking for sales. Then every time after a big move like this, we have to wait for a pullback. So this is a thunderbolt kind of structure. So you enter here after the lower low is broken, then you just aim for, like, I don't know, this is 123.9 risk reward ratio, but that was a huge one because we had the resistance here. But normally you just need like 10-12 pips and that's it. You're good for the day. Your next trade could give you even more than that, but we're taking one step at a time. So as you can see, this trade was similar. We have in a downtrend, we break this support area that we have here 1, 2, 3 times, wasn't able to pass. Then with this red candle, we broke the structure, we broke the support area. Then after that, we wait for a pullback because as we know already. So if we passes the minimum, like this low over here, if we manage to pass the low, that's where we enter, and we just wait for a nice, let me see how many pips were here. Yes, 18 pips, not that bad. So remember, guys, if you like the analysis, if you like the trade like this is simple price. As you can see, I'm not using any indicators. I'm not using because all the indicators lag. So I'm just trading based on support and resistance and some trend lines to guide. But basically, it's candlesticks and price action. So if you like this kind of trade, so please leave a comment, make yourself a subscribe if you haven't, and I would appreciate if you give some likes, so to let me know if you like this content. So thank you so much. You know, this is the YouTube business. That's what we have to do in order to grow. So anyway, thank you so much, and let's wait to see if we have an entrance somehow in this kind of scenario that we have today. So Okay, as for the gold, okay, what do we see here? Gold have been moving a lot this week. So it's the same. As you can see, sorry, just give me a moment. So as you can see, the gold had in the hour time frame have made this top resistance here, and then it went down. We're closing bullish, but as you can see, we have this huge price rejection on this week that give us another red candle. Now we're still going down bearish, but the overall situation for gold is to buy, but we might look for a trend reversal because we have made this resistance area here where we tap already. So as you can see, price after this huge move, it might continue. It may look like it's gonna do a pullback. We have to wait for a pullback somehow, some area here. He made this little support here, but it went up again. So if we're gonna buy the gold, it had to be past this area that I have marked here. Let me check this down. So yeah, this is the support for the day and the resistance. As you can see, it is clearly okay. It's a wide range, but whatever happened inside this range, we can trade. It is actually 3 bars, so 1,060 pips basically. So yeah, it's tradable, and this is gold. So why not? It likes to do this kind of thing and range for a long time. But on the overall movement, it is bullish. So just be careful, guys. If you're gonna manage this on the 4 hour to look for an entrance, okay, as you can see, yeah, we're still ranging up and down, making some rejections. If you want to trade something like this in a lower time frame, let's see what's the 15-minute doing. You see, there's no clean candles. There's no clean candles here yet. We have a big area here to fill, but all these candles are dirty, so it's like up and down, just quite choppy. So it's not clean candles like this. Actually, you can feel the range. So what I would expect is like after past this support, now I think this is an opportunity here actually, because this passage we have this candle, the support to be filled. Now let's see how many pips do we have. To see if this range is something that we can manage. It's a small range, but could be. The problem is that if we go up, we have like The problem is that I see it's like such a small range for me to trade. We can, yeah, this is the support here, but still making. And then as you can see here, we have another. This support is respected, so it looks like it's going up again. So if we pass, what is our bias is? Remember, our bias is going up. So, but for it to be valid, it needs to be at least higher than this resistance here. So if we pass that, because this is the range, going down, up, down. So we are still ranging here. If we have passed this, then it might be a possibility to short the market. But as we are bullish, we wait for the market to go up, then break this structure here, then we're going to get a lot of momentum in this, because this area is clean. It's still clean area, yeah. There are clean candles here. So we have the wick to fill as well. So basically we just have to wait to see if we have a push again, because we make a really nice pullback and then another push. So let's see if this momentum is enough. If not, then just wait. We have to wait. If it breaks this, then it means that it probably want to touch this resistance again and then make kind of a double top in here. So it might be an indication that we're going down. But since we are bullish bias, so we need to wait for a bullish trade to take. And then the pound dollar, what we at is, okay, we are bullish in a certain way, while we close bearish. The complete bias is we're being bullish here, but we reach this resistance area, we make a huge rejection to it, and we haven't had a pullback yet. As you can see, we are clean candles here, no pullbacks. So two things might happen. We're still bullish, so we're gonna mark this area as our support in the range, and then this area as resistance. So if we pass that resistance, we might be looking for trend continuation, so we're going bullish, that's for sure. But for now, we still have to wait. If we're gonna make market structure, for me, will be down this area, so that will be looking for sell options. But since we are bullish as well in here, we just need to wait for a clear entrance after this resistance is broken, and then yeah, we're good to go. If we're going down to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? Okay, in the 4 hours, yes, we close bearish, we make again, we close bullish in this, and then we started going down, then begin to make a range. So this is not what you want to be involved with, because in here anything can happen. So you just need to be you respect your biases. Like if your bias is going up, so you just wait for this candle, for a candle to break this area of resistance, and then make a structure to go up. So it'll be something like this. So something like that. So you broke here, go down, then make this kind of structure. Sorry, my drawing's bad. And if we want to go down this area, that will be after this line is broken, then you go down, make a structure, then fill this line here, this wrench that is, as you can see, is clean. It had no pullback, nothing in the middle, so it's quite clean, and they give you a lot of pips there as well. So not in this area, because even though this candles need to be filled, yeah, we have a rejections here to the zone going up. Still, this wrench is a watch zone for me, so if we pass that, yeah, for sure we're going down. But we need to wait. Our main trade should be past this resistance here going up. Past the wash zone. So see, like if I were to take this trade after this candle closes, then I see some sort of support, and then past this area, then yes, I will try to make some profit here. But this whole weeks, as you can see, this whole area that you can see here makes a huge rejection to the upside, so I don't want to be actually involved in that kind of stuff. See, yeah, it rejected again, because that's what it's doing, like it's going up and down. So it doesn't matter if I move a little bit. This It's a low volume, guys. It's just low volume in Tokyo section. Sometimes you get some spike like this, huge movement, but this happened at the opening, so that's a good time to trade. But for now, we just have to wait. It's slow. Maybe sometime around 2 p.m. when we get the London market start to be open. There we go again. You see the rejection in the area? Yeah, you see how it reacts to it and then start to go up again. So let's see how this candle closes, but it might as well be bullish. But that's what I'm telling you about. This area is confusing. This area, you don't want to be involved in this kind of thing. You want clean candles like this that give you some feel to the opposite side and then give us a trade. But for this now, look at this choppy area going up and down, and then long wicks, then long candles. That's difficult to trade. We need to be patient. That's it. Let's see what the 5-minute candles are doing, but okay, in the 5-minute candles we can try something like this. I'll be risky, but if we pass this resistance area here, guys, and since we have this push, if we pass this area, then we can look for at least, let's see how many pieces are here. 10 pips. Okay, it is manageable, but let's see how many pieces up to the downside. We need to look for the structure. So it's 10 pieces again, so it's a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It could be, yeah, for sure, but let's see what's in the middle. If we make some structure and give us some candle that we can work with for it not to be so tight, the risk reward ratio, So maybe, yeah, we can work with something there. If not, then here we go. Let's see what the 5-minute candle is going to do. The closer of these candles, what's going to give us an idea. I think it's going to be broken. Yes. Remember, guys, I also spread, and there we go. Rejection in the area. There's still a couple of minutes to go, so let's wait. I was saying about spreads. If you want to trade like this, you need to be careful on the spread that your broker might have, because it's different for everyone. So because the spread can take you out. Okay, we have broken the support and the resistance. Let me check on my broker here to see. It looks like it's gonna be a fake out. Yeah, as you can see, my broker have a huge spread, like almost 40 pips. 4 pips, and that is a lot. That's for me, for 10 pips to be like to risk in this area. Now that's a no-go for me, because it's how is it possible? I will be gaining only 6 pips in the overall trade, so because I have to pay 4 for my spread, so this makes no sense. It's because at this time the British pound dollar is still a lot of volume, so, or maybe it is my broker, I don't know. Yeah, candle is about to close in 12 seconds, so yeah, let's wait. But it's a huge spread for me, at least. And then anyway, I think it's still going to be bearish. It's not gonna pass. So nope, we didn't pass the area, guys. So yeah, it's might be the indication that we're going down. Still going down. We're ranging that. Excuse me for a minute. Okay, for the 15-minute candles, we still have 3 minutes to go, but I think we're gonna pass the area. Yeah, it's gonna be bullish. So if we close bullish and we make some kind of structure, yeah, we might try to have a trade here. But remember, I will not be taking this trade because of the spread. I'm just gonna put it there for you guys to see that the strategy might work. Okay, this is good. We have volume. As you can see, this candles are quite important because they can tell us how much of a volume we are having at this time. So as you can see here, candles have been short. So it means like a lot of weak. It means like there's no like a momentum. There's no like a big amount of traders just trading these pairs, so it's no volume unless see something like this. This is a great push, and now we have seen it. So we are breaking the structure already. So that's our first this is our first signal. So we wait to see if the candle now make kind of a pullback and then we go up, then that's when we enter. We don't want to see like a deep pullback to the area, because then the trade would not be taken. It makes no sense. So yeah, if it stays like that and it create another candle to pull back into the zone a little bit to this range here, and then we go up, that will be the trade. Okay, 12 seconds to the candle close. So if we manage to get bullish on this one, we have make a support here on the wick. But yeah, so first confluence. So I don't know what happened here. In my broker, it already changed. Yeah, we still bullish. We managed to go through, and then we make another support. So if we pass this candle, so yeah, we're gonna try here long position. So in my broker, I don't know what happened here. We have another candle here making a support. That will be our stop. And then, yeah, I'll be 1 to 2. why it doesn't show you another candle here, but we're on the 5-minute time break. Yeah, that's it. There you go. That's what you want. You go past this area, you make the stop here, and then if we pass this support and resistance area, yeah, here, so we're going in, and then take 10 pips. Let's see. Okay, 7 pips. Okay. Like I told you, it's a small range, but this is a risky trade. We're taking little to none stop loss because we only have this range to trade. Let's see if the push can help us. There we go. Remember guys, for me, if I move, we enter here. So if I move, this is a 7 pip trade. So if I move 4 pips, I'll just call it to break even, because as it's a risky trade, I don't want to be losing that amount of money or any amount of money per se. So I will secure my capital. So I will move my stop loss only to see if it plays out. Then after that, you can manage to trade with a trailing stop, or you can even do it manually after a support is being created. But just because it's just a small range to trade with, I would just wait for 4 pips and then I would move my stop loss. That's it. There you go. So we have the push. So we move a stop loss. Oh my gosh. Then this is a no risk. Now we're free. We manage the trade. There's nothing to lose. We could secure some profit, but now, since it's only 7 pips, why do we bother? We're not losing money anyway, so we might just like, let me put it here. We could go into this area, so I put this as the first target. So yeah, first target here, then we continue up until the push stops. So here we go, easy trade. Still small, but at least we don't have any like pullback. If we don't have a push, okay, we don't have a push. That's it. We don't lose any money. That's more important than making money, actually. If you don't lose a trade, so you're already a winner. If we see to the price action strategies, yeah, it had to actually, it already, yeah, I was gonna say that. If you look at the price action, it already filled the gap that we had, so it might reverse at its point, but man, come on, Gigi, give it a push. So like I was saying, since price action strategy is being is already touched the area, so this gap, as you can see here, this gap, let me show you, this gap was already filled. That's why price now is making this huge pullback. Like I said, it was a difficult trade. If you manage to make some money there, okay, that's fine. But the most important thing in here was not to lose money. You make the trade, that's it. It could be 50-50. But if you don't lose the money, then it's 100%. For your mentality, at least. Of course, the obvious goal is to make money, but there we go. We stop loss, break even, nothing happened. New trade. That was only, guys, if you wanted to have like this 5-minute trade kind of thing. I just wanted to show you that the strategy is working, but it was risky. It was risky. Remember that we're still waiting for the downside. We always look for our bias, and our bias is still going short. And then we're at the beginning of the range, so we might be going down. So what could happen here? Yeah, in the 15-minute time frame that we are seeing here, it is this candle make no wick, so that is an indication that it might go up a little bit, but we still need a pullback on this area. So if this candle now break this resistance, then the clear option will be to go for buys here, but because we're pulling, if you can see here, we're making high highs and high lows, high highs, high lows, high high, high lows, but in here we start going low highs but high lows until this candle. So yeah, still ranging a lot. We need to wait to see what price wants to do. We're not rushing anything. So yeah, guys, that's it for me. Now I have to let you be. I'm gonna be now trading, waiting for the London section. I'm gonna prepare. So if you like this kind of setup that we're trying to backtest here, Yo, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know, and then I will see you tomorrow. I'll try to have another trade like this, most probably to hit the TP. But like I said, what is important is the analysis, is the way you trade, your setups, and to manage your trade. Doesn't matter if you make a little money or a lot of money. If you